good day to everybody. So I'm going to have an update regarding the giveaway that was promised to us when we bought this stand mixer ANKARSRUM AKM6230. They promised that they're going to give us blender, and yes, it arrived. Actually, we went to pick it up because we were called na available na in their outlet stores. So we went there, and this is a box. Yes, assistant original blender. So just to test how it is work, I'm going to make mango drinks. Alright, so I would be needing milk, water, and of course our mango. So yes, and we were actually given another free, and I was wrong. It was not another free of a tea set, but it is a coffee mug. Ayan, na pair din nung tea set. So, thank you for all of these freebies. Okay, I forgot the name again. I think it's kitchen utensil. Maybe next time that we will be ordering another thing from that store, I would remember their name already. Okay, so yes, we are going to make or test the blender and how it works. Oh, by the way, I have here a flower. Nilagay ko na rin dito because last Sunday, it is Mother's Day in France. And my husband bought this for me instead of a flower bouquet. He knows that I appreciate things like this better than yung flower bouquet na nawi-wither din. So this one, I just have to take care of it, and it will give me more flower and it is more lasting. I think it is a lot better kasi yung natutuyot din lang. So to all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day, and shout out to my loving husband. Thank you for remembering my day as a mother. Thank you, my layad. Alright, so let's start. Has to be like this. And prior to this, I already had washed the blender, because that's what it said. You have to wash before using it. Okay, and we will put up our ingredients, of course. The mango. I was careless. And there you go, our meal. Please know that I am not professional, so I don't have any measurement for each. But what the hell, this is for our family consumption, so there is a place for error. There you go. Alright, so let's see how it works. There is no added sugar because mango is full of sugar already. So hindi na ako nagdagdag ng sugar. I think good to go. Wow. So that's it. My blender of ANKARSRUM AKM6230. It works fine. It works well. It's not that noisy, but there's still a noise. It's not really very silent. I hope it could be more silent than that. But well, that's how it is. So let's go and enjoy for the snack.